Okay, question number 14. This question is from computer network. I am reading out this question for you. Consider the following statements regarding the slow start phase of TCP congestion control algorithm. Note that CWND stands for TCP congestion window and MSS stand for maximum segment size. Okay, so 1. The CWND, that is TCP congestion window size, increases by 2 MSS on every successful acknowledgement. No, this is false, because in slow start phase it increases like double, like first 1, then 2, then 4, then 8, and up to half of the window size. Okay, the CWND approximately doubles on every successful acknowledgement. No, after the slow start, when it goes to congestion window, when it goes to that the next what is that, I just forgot that name, the next phase, it will the MSS will increase by 1, like 16, 17, 18, like this. So this is also false. The CWND increases by 1 MSS every round trip time. No, this is also false, because every round trip time it will double its MSS. Okay, the number 4, the CWND approx doubles every round trip time. Yes, this is only the correct statement. So 4 is the correct statement. So option C will be the right answer. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.